Hello everyone, today we will make this long flying paper airplane from A4 paper, which even a beginner can make. At the end of the video I will show you how far it flies. You can find how to make other paper airplanes on my channel. Subscribe if you want to see new paper airplanes every week. And today's plane called Hawk starts by folding the sheet in half along the long side and then unfolding it. This creates a central line. Along this line, fold the corners to the center from both sides. The next step is to fold the side edges to the central line like this. The edge should align with the axis of the plane, leaving a small space. It's important to hold the paper to prevent the folds from shifting. Repeat the same on the other side. You get a distinctive shape. Next, flip the template, foili so fold the model in half along the central line and check the symmetry. All points should match. Leave about 2 centimeters from the nose and fold the rear part, which is the stabilizer or tail. Proceed to form the airplane's wings. Fold the edges of the wings about 1/2 of the width. Make additional folds to create the wing profile. It is important to press all the folds firmly for rigidity. Shape the final form of the wings. I recommend experimenting with the angle and width. Wider wings means slower and longer flight. Narrower means faster, like a fighter jet. Now fold and check the symmetry of the entire model. If something is crooked, it's better to go back and redo it. This is the construction we have. Next, we need to fold the edges of the wings toward the center. You can see the necessary distance in my example. This action will give your plane a more precise targeted flight. Well, this concludes the instructions on how to make the Hawk plane. Now, as promised, I will show you how well it flies. Be sure to write in the comments how far your version of this plane flies.